Hi, Bridgette Griffiths here from Your Address Real Estate. As a part of my series Talking Real Estate with Bridgette, I thought it was really important to seek some professional advice on contract law. And I'm delighted to announce that I've got Guy Gibbons, CEO of Bennett Carroll Solicitors. Guy has over 30 years experience in litigation, estates, commercial law and conveyancing. So welcome, Guy.
Thank you.
Guy, should we start at the top? I'm a buyer and I'm interested in a property. What do I do?
Okay, well the first thing you can do is be as organised as possible. So you need to understand what you can afford to pay, you need to understand what the characteristics of the property that you're looking for are.
Yep.
Be as list oriented as you possibly can. Understand what your price is, what your key characteristics are, understand what your timeframes are. You might actually be having to get out of an existing property into a new property. You might have a lease that's running out, so you've got a time frame that you need to watch. All of those things need to be front of mind when you find the property that you think might be the one. People will often even shortlist, so they'll say, right, I've got 2 or 3. And then you approach the agent and you start to ask questions about those key characteristics. And it is really just a conversation. If the agent's professional, they'll know the answers to all of those questions.
You would hope, anyway. So when you say start asking questions, things like age, any issues with the property, is that the sort of thing you're asking?
Absolutely. Well, open-ended questions are always good, as agents know. Tell me about the property.
Yep, sure.
And then to direct the questions to the things that are important to you. Some people want a yard, some people don't care.
Yeah.
Some people want a newer building, some people don't mind. Some people are actually quite interested in a property that maybe needs a little bit of work because they feel they can add some value. Whatever those key characteristics are, to draw the agent out on those questions, because the agent is there to get you excited about the property and provide all of that information so that you're tumbling into making an offer on property. So the agent should have all of that information
Absolutely.
at her fingertips.
Okay, well that's great advice. Thanks so much, Guy. Thanks, guys.